Climbing stairs makes sense for your general health, but it also happens to be one of the best things you can do to get in great shape, lose weight, and attain peak cardiovascular efficiency. Strengthening the lower body, toning the butt, thighs, calves, losing inches from those love handles and belly, as well as building great abs. Since you're working against gravity, jogging stairs helps the body build strength and power. According to a scientific article published in Run Society Indonesia, climbing stairs requires you to work against gravity. It leads you to use more energy and thus burn more calories. The Harvard alumni study found that men who climbed an average of 8 or more flights of stairs a day had a 33% lower mortality rate than their sedentary counterparts. As per various researches, it is proven that climbing stairs is an ideal way to improve your energy, develop your immune system, and lower your risk for diabetes, high blood pressure, osteoporosis, and heart disease. Some studies show that stair climbing significantly improves the volume of oxygen your body can use while exercising. A study published in the Canadian journal Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism suggests that adhering to a stair climbing regimen improves fitness in healthy, sedentary adults. Climbing stairs is a surprisingly efficient way to burn calories. In fact, climbing stairs burns 2 to 3 times more calories than walking at a brisk pace on an even surface. The vertical movement of stair climbing as compared to walking on an even surface makes it a more energy-consuming activity. When compared to other cardio exercises such as running, high-intensity training or jump training, stair climbing is considered to be relatively low impact. This means that it does not exert as much force on your ankles, knees, and hips, which can help them stay healthy over time. According to the American Council on Exercise, if you weigh 160 pounds and spend an hour climbing stairs, you'll burn an impressive 580 calories. Stairs climbing can lower the risk of osteoarthritis, especially among women, who have a sedentary lifestyle and have desk jobs. It improves the flexibility of muscles and reduces the risks of painful cramps and muscle pains. Climbing stairs is all fun and games. However, if you suffer from a knee injury or problem already, you must avoid it as it can put some extra pressure on your knee and damage it further. If you have stairs in your home, start making wise use of them. Add stair walks with jump ropes, burpees, push-ups, and planks to create a solid home workout routine. Thank you for watching Fit Villa. Subscribe for more of such videos.